Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back, and I hope you're well, and I hope so far the new year is treating you, by giving you a lot of successes and a lot of, positivity, money, love, and everything else. So in today's video, we are going to show you a way how to add an image into your WordPress website by using the widget. So we're going to here to the left hand side. Basically, we're going to the main login area on the WordPress, and then we go to widgets. It's a bit slow. So here, first of all, there is different ways that you can do it. So I will tell you a couple of ways. Now we do the simple way. Make sure that when you choose a theme, make sure it's not really has to be like a flashy theme. As I said before, it has to be a simple theme, and you would have to make sure that you can work with this rather than just wasting time on looking for flashing banners. So that's the most important thing. So what you can do here is that if I want, for example, to put that on my sidebar, as you can see here, we're just taking all of those here. Then we'll go to image, and then we can drag that over to here. Like for example, if I want to move this up and down, that's the way we do it. And then make sure you save the changes before you do anything else. Now, there is another way by doing it. Like for example, this is my image here. You can put a title on the top. I can show you what I mean. Like put a title here if you want to, and then if you go to my main website, you can see it. Here, if you want, you can add anything you want on the top. So I just have it simple. And then whatever changes you do, you save it and done. Then the other thing you can do is actually go to the plugins and search for a plugin called Image Widget, and then activate the plugin. Where is the plugins? And then you can come back in this main area. So anyway, here is the plugin. So you go and then add new, and then you find the plugin. And then when you come here to the main area, may you use this one, custom HTML. And then obviously what you can do is simple. Have like, make sure you choose any image you have for your from your media folder, like from your library, because you can choose that. It's simple like that. It's right, it's not really you need a degree or something. But the most important thing is that here. So as you can see here, you put here on the sidebar, if you go to a home page and add things, you can go to a footer, for instance, here. So this is the sort of different widgets that you can use behind your on your website to help you make it easy. And remember that again, you need to play with it. Like as I say before, adding categories and put a couple of things at the sidebar if you want. Like maybe you can have other things here, whatever other websites you have or promotional stuff. So you can add it by using all the widgets basically. And this is how to add an image. It's simple as that. And Also, what you can do, again, separately, you can do it with this one, and then add the text. And remember, again, you can add the title, and then look here, you can add a media, like a small video or a separate picture or something like that here. Then this is the visual text and everything here. So then say done and everything. So make sure you save the changes, and then everything is done. It's very simple and it's not really difficult. Make sure to play with it, like even the audio, for example. You can actually drag this like that and put it over wherever you want to put it on your, maybe your sidebar, and put like your podcast audio. So you can try that, and then come back and give us feedback, or let me know if you needs any help. Just make sure to play with it a bit. Don't have any fears. What I suggest is to take steps on one by one, to have a little plan on what you want to focus on, because at the moment I'm also working on my website, and I create when I create the products, and then I add things. So take one step at a time and make sure you have monetize your website in order to get more clients. So that's it for me today. Simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and like this video, leave your comments below, and make sure that you don't miss a thing. And have a lovely day.